Hi friends, I'm Miles. Today here to explain Newton's laws. Then why late? Let's get started. Newton has three laws. The first law is that every object will be at rest until and unless it receives some external force. Like that, when I observe this object, it is in rest according to its analysis. If I want to move the object, I need to give external force when I observe. Newton's first law also contains that every moving object will be only in linear motion. If I want to move any other direction, I need to compel it to move. Observe that it moves only in linear motion. If I want to move any other direction, I am compelling it to move in any other direction. Newton's second law states that the force applied on the object equal to the mass of the object into the acceleration of the object. That the force applied, that the pressure or the force applied on the object is equal to the mass of the object and into the acceleration, that the acceleration of the object. This is Newton's second law. Newton's third law states that every object has its opposite and equal reaction. That I'm going to throw the ball on the wall. Let's see what happens. You can observe that the ball comes in the same force that I apply when I throw it. This is Newton's third law. Thank you for watching. I think you would have understood Newton's all the three laws.